Hi there, I'm Astrid and welcome to the Burch model home here at Montgomery Row. This walkable townhome community in Bethesda is over 75% sold out. It's a short stroll to the shops at Wildwood, Westfield Montgomery Mall and 2 local farmers markets. Plus, Montgomery Row is close to downtown Bethesda, North Bethesda, and it's ideal for commuting with a free shuttle to the metro and easy access to DC, Tyson's Corner, 270 and 495. The community features a park with a play area and is a short 2-block walk to the Montgomery County's highly ranked Walter Johnson High School. Now that you know a little bit more about our community here in Bethesda, how about we go and take a tour of our Burch model home? Follow me. What I love about the Burch is that it features an open floor plan, oversized windows and tall 9-foot ceilings, which makes the main floor a perfect place for entertaining. The kitchen is equipped with new stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, and the Burch model also comes standard with 2-car garage parking. Upstairs we have suite-style bedrooms with their own personal attached closets and bathrooms. The Burch also comes with 3 bedrooms and the option of a 4th bedroom and up to 3.5 bathrooms. Another great feature of the Burch model home is the loft, which opens up to a private rooftop terrace that you can customize with options like a wet bar, grill, or a gas fireplace. You also have the option to add a suite-style bedroom. Thank you so very much for taking the time to tour the Burch model home with me today. If you'd like to see it for yourself, we have a couple of move-in ready homes left, and all you need to do is just give me a call at 301-830-4335. I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.